My name is Matt White and I own BWI Aviation Insurance, and in my career I have seen hundreds of broker of record letters sent from other brokers. From what I've seen over the last 11 years is that most of the time what these letters do is not being clearly explained to you when you're asked to sign one. If you already have an aviation insurance broker and another broker says, "Sign this BOR and I can get you a better rate," that is the worst way to explain and use a BOR letter, and it's also a bit misleading. It's time to clear this up. There's only two situations when you should be asked to sign a BOR. Number one, if you have a current active aviation insurance policy and you want to move that existing policy to a new broker. Number two, you have more than one aviation insurance broker shopping the market for you. Let's start with situation number one. You have a current active aviation insurance policy and you would like to change brokers. Signing a BOR in this instance keeps your current insurance policy in place, but changes which broker represents you. The typical reasons you'd want to change brokers are: number one, lack of customer service from your current broker. Number two, you have a friend or local broker that you would prefer to work with. Number three, you found a new broker that promises to get you a better rate or do a better job representing you. When you sign a BOR, it gets sent into the insurance company by the new broker. The insurance company then gives your current broker 5 business days to obtain a rescinding letter, otherwise the policy gets transferred over. Let's talk about situation number two, when you have more than one aviation insurance broker shopping the market for you. Typically what happens is when you contact the first broker, they get all your aircraft and pilot information and they send it out to all the insurance companies for quotes. Half of the insurance companies will now be locked to the first broker. Now you call broker 2. They get your aircraft and pilot information and send it out to all the companies, but half of those companies are already locked to broker 1. So the second broker may ask you to sign a BOR to unlock those other quotes. However, what really happens is if you sign a BOR with the second broker and they send that in, they're taking over all the quotes worked up by the first broker. The only time you should sign a BOR in this situation is if you feel that the first broker you contacted is not doing a great job approaching the right companies and getting you the best policy. Be very careful when signing a BOR in this situation, as they tend to create more issues than they solve. As a general rule of thumb, you really only want one aviation insurance broker representing you and shopping the market. So my advice is to do some research beforehand, look at reviews, pick a great broker, and trust that they're going to do a great job. Getting a second broker involved almost always complicates the situation. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more content about the world of aviation insurance, share this with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and as always, thank you for trusting BWI.